Nangarap ka bang kumita ng extra $5,000 to $10,000 every month? Imagine all the things you could do. Take your family on a vacation, kumain sa mamahaling restaurant, ipag-shopping ang buong pamilya, never worry about bills. Today, I'm going to share my simple plan to make that possible in 2024. First, let me tell you why this is important. Earning more money means we can help our families, save for the future, and of course, mas ma-enjoy natin ang buhay, di ba? And guess what? Kayang-kaya mo yan. It starts with this. If you believe that you can, you are already halfway there. So, kailangan paniwalaan mo na kaya mo, okay? Make sure na panoorin mo ang full video na ito dahil isi-share ko sa huli ang mga most important tips ko. So here are the steps you have to make to earn extra $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Step 1, mag-set ka muna ng goals. Write down how much money you want to earn each month. For me, it's $5,000 to $10,000 extra per month. And then, i-breakdown mo. If you want to earn $10,000 a month, that's about $333 a day. Step 2, find your strength. Ano nga ba yung strength mo? Isipin mo kung saan ka magaling. Magaling ka bang mag-drawing, magsulat, or talking to people? Sales? Gamitin mo yung skills mo to find a side job or side hustle or start a small business. Step 3, start small side jobs. Pwede ka mag-try ng freelancing online. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are a great place to start. Offer services like graphic design, writing, or even tutoring kung saan ka magaling. Use your God-given talent to earn extra income. Maybe yan yung binigay sa iyo ni Lord na talent dahil yan ang purpose mo sa buhay, di ba? Marami na ngayon ang kumikita dahil sa social media. Facebook Reels, TikTok, YouTube. Napakaraming opportunities nowadays to earn extra income. We just have to know it and take action, syempre. Hindi yung alam mo nga pero hindi ka naman nagtitake action. Wala din mangyayari. Step 4, sell products online. Mahilig ka bang magluto? You can sell homemade food or products. Or kung mahilig ka sa arts, pwede kang magbenta ng mga handmade arts or paintings online like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or even your own website. You can also now leverage the power of AI to create digital arts to sell online. You can use ChatGPT to help you create a prompt and then punta ka sa apps like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate images to sell. This is the best time to capitalize on these AI tools. So, mas maaga na matutunan mo ang mga ito, the better. I think AI is the future. Marami na ang kumikita ng malaki because of AI and I believe AI will create many millionaires in this generation. So kung papahuli ka, hindi ka makakasama sa mga yun. So better adapt and learn these things now. This is the best opportunity right now. I have been learning different methods to earn from AI, and if that's something you want to learn as well, let me know in the comment section so I can make a video and share my process. Number 5, start a YouTube business. This is the thing that I'm actually going to focus on this 2024. And also my best tip for you. Of all the social media platforms out there, bakit YouTube? Kasi si YouTube ang may pinakamalaking potential for earnings. There are actually a lot of ways to earn from YouTube. First is, of course, YouTube Partner Program. Ito yung kikita ka sa ads once your channel gets monetized. You can also learn from affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services on your videos, and once they click on your link and buy, you will earn a commission. You can also earn from sponsorships. Brands will pay you to promote their business on your channel. You can also learn from subscriptions from your subscribers. You can sell your own products or promote your services if there are any. Now, tatanungin mo, paano kung shy type ako? Ayaw kong ipakita yung mukha ko sa camera o kaya ayaw kong iparinig yung boses ko. Huwag kang mag-alala. Meron tayong tinatawag na faceless YouTube channel. Ito yung mga channels na hindi nagpapakita ng mukha nila. Usually, mga stock footages lang ang pinapakita nila sa video at yung boses ay hindi rin kanila. So tatanungin mo, paano yun? Dito na papasok ang power of AI. Pwede mo siyang gamitin para makagawa ng video para sa YouTube channel mo. At hindi mo na kailangang magpakita ng mukha mo at mag-record ng boses mo. Galing, di ba? I'm so excited about this great opportunity and I can share with you how you can start with this faceless YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo ng step-by-step guide kung paano ito gawin, ay mag-comment ka lang sa comment section ng AI at gagawa ako ng video sa susunod. Dapat ay nakasubscribe ka rin para ma-notify ka once may bago akong video. And if you want to learn more from me, make sure to watch this video next.